Okay, we're doing chicken enchiladas for the entree, and our stores are Price Chopper and Sunfresh. For grocery stores and our retail stores are Walmart, and our natural organic stores is Natural Grocers.
So for Walmart, red onions for 2 pounds is $2.54.
For Sunfresh, the red onions are 11 pounds for 99 cents.
And then for Natural Grocers, red onion is 1 pound for $1.99.
For Sunfresh, the boneless chicken breast is 1 bag for $9.59.
And for Walmart, boneless chicken breast is 1/2 pounds for $10.48.
For Natural Grocers, the boneless chicken breast is 11 pounds for $7.99. For Sunfresh, the canned stewed tomatoes are 14.5 ounces. That equals $1.35.
For Walmart, canned stewed tomatoes is 28 ounces for $2.51.
For Natural Grocers, canned stewed tomatoes is 14.5 ounces for $1.95. For Sunfresh, the cheddar cheese is 8 ounces for $1.99.
For Walmart, cheddar cheese is 8 ounces for $2.22.
For Natural Grocers, the cheddar cheese is 6 ounces for $4.99. Sunfresh yellow corn tortillas is 75 ounces for $3.81.
For Walmart, yellow corn tortillas is 25 ounces for $1.48.
For Natural Grocers, yellow corn tortillas is 10 ounces for $3.49.
That's it. And that is chicken enchiladas with the nutrition group for middle school.